Hi, it's Kathy, Crafty Chica. I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful frame for your Dia de Muertos ofrenda. We're doing reverse glass painting, but we're doing something a little different. We're going to leave the center part open so you could actually use it as a frame on your ofrenda. This is a print that I designed, a little illustration. It's free on my website. You can go to the blog post in my description to print it off, 5x7. I'm using a paint pen. You could also use black paint and a thin liner brush to trace over all of the black lines. So I taped the template to the table and then I taped the glass on top of the template. After all of the black is done, you're going to be doing this in reverse. So I'm adding highlight colors. So the brighter colors that are going to show up in the front, I'm adding those. And I realized at this point we can actually remove the template because it gets a little confusing with it under there. And once all of those highlight colors are done and dry, fully dry, you want to make sure that the paint doesn't smear. Then you could go in with the background colors. And for this I added some light green on the leaves and some bright yellow on the flowers. And now I'm going in with the background colors, just darker greens, darker reds. For the little calaveras, I am using an ivory color paint and just coating that over it on both of them. I'm going to let that dry and then do a second coat, but this is a tip that really works well. Outline everything with white. It will just look so much nicer. It will really pop in the design. And I also added designs around the outside, and look at it. Oh my God, it is so beautiful. And you want to let it dry completely. Add a coat of Mod Podge 4 sealer, either matte or satin, whatever choice you have. You're going to let it dry completely, put it in the frame, add your picture, put the little backing board on there, and you have one gorgeous handmade picture frame to go on your ofrenda for Dia de los Muertos. This came out so cute. Let me know if you like it. Thank you for watching. Check out craftychica.com for even more crafty ideas, and don't forget to subscribe.